Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is September 2nd when I'm recording this, and we had a pretty wild day in the market today. And so I'm going to do something I don't normally do. Show you guys some day trading stuff because there were some pretty good setups here. So usually when I look at doing a day trade, you always want to take into context the overall situation of what's going on here. And for this one, we can see that price moved up today, but it ran right into the underside of the daily 50. Probably a pretty good place that it's going to at least stop. So we didn't know if it was going to be, hold and flag. I think some news might have come out there today, but otherwise we could have seen a pin somewhere around $400. That's reasonable. Otherwise, we look down below and we see if there's any opportunities. And what we were able to find is if you come in through here, and of course we're day trading, so we're looking at the much lower time frames. You got the 15, the 5 minute, and the 2 minute. What I will show you is a couple things. So you can see that it's not the clearest, but the pattern is still there. It's still an inverse elf shoe. You have the leg, you have the heel, you have the arch of the foot, you have the ball of the foot, and then you have the elf toe right there. In addition to that, on the 2 minute, this is really where the Moxie Indicator setup comes in, is you had price go higher. Notice that you did have some negative divergence. Now, that doesn't mean you go short it right there. It means if you are long, you need to be aware of that. But there is the two-part thing. You have the Moxie Indicator and you have moving averages. So you get that negative divergence, which kind of gives you a little heads up. And then what you're noticing is price is going sideways. And notice how the Moxie Indicator just absolutely tanks. It goes right through the zero line. It's red the entire time. And then you get this little bump right there, and that's a little bump. And you know what? That becomes what I would consider an inverse trampoline move. Price should not be over the 50 if the Moxie Indicator is below zero. Price tried to bounce a little bit up off of the 2 minute 50. The Moxie Indicator is just so far below zero, it's just never going to happen. And then where your confirmation is, when price starts to break below and through the 2 minute 50, because you can see the first time it bounced. But it's the second time where it actually really goes, and boy, was that a move. So seriously, went down there, and then that probably would have been it. That was the really good, solid move, but you could go a little bit further and just say, hey, price generally ran into the underside of a downtrending daily 50, and same here, the 5 minute 21. Going into that, this bounce, well, you could see that you were starting to get some positive divergence in through here. You could see yet again another elf shoe right as the Moxie Indicator was starting to cross. So that was the end of the down move. And that is how the Moxie Indicator helps you get into a short and out of your short, because you start seeing that kind of positive divergence. And then this move, well, that's a different move. We're trying to talk about the one that we just saw right here. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy that. Take care, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.